So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you don't yet subscribe, guys make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also guys make sure you follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. Let's see what gold is actually going to be giving us for the day. Now let's start with the trend right here guys. First of all, we would want to know what the trend is. And as you can see on our gold, we are in an uptrend move. This is the current trend. Remember, we have the main trend, which is this trend right here, which says we are in an uptrend move. Now, when you zoom it in also, you can clearly see that the current trend is also in an uptrend move right here. When you have to zoom it in, this is the current trend, which says I, here comes the higher low, pullback level, equal R right here. This is the pullback level right here. Market is able to push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low right here. So market has pulled back to form an higher low. With this pullback that market has given us that to form an higher low, we should be expecting to push up one more time to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So above all, a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our gold. So if you are not yet in the buy on gold, look to go in for the buy. But if you are in the buy, it will be best to still hold on to your buy position as markets will still push up for that. So guys, whatever you want to be doing on your gold, look into going for the buy. A bullish move is what you should be expecting. Now let's go down to the forward time frame, guys. So let's see what the forward time frame is going to be giving us right here. So with this level right here, we should be expecting market has dropped right. We should be expecting market to reject and bounce up. So guys, this is one of the reasons why a bullish move for the day is what we should be expecting on gold. So gold to reject from this level and bounce up. So if you are not setting the buy, still going for the buy, more movement to the upside is what we should be expecting for the day. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys to know. So if you do not want to miss out on any of this, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.